Hey friends, whether you've heard of the company Craspire or not, you are not going to want to miss the contents of what's inside the package they've sent me. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Okay, so a while back, one of the reps from Craspire had reached out to me to see if I would be willing to share some of the items that they have to offer on their website. And, you know, I always like to bring you guys things that I think that might inspire your creative flow, your processes, or things that I think that are cost effective. You may already be shopping one place, but they may have the same thing or similar over here. Either which way, I obliged, and I picked out a few items that I thought that you guys might be interested in, of course, as well as myself. Now, with that being said, inside this package is some goodness that I think you guys are going to love. Now, starting off, they had some paper pads, and these are 6x6, of course, as you can see. But, so I think I've got two here, three here, two of which I'll be putting in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Now let's go through the colors so you guys can get an idea of what you can work with. Beautiful light pastels. If you can see here, there's most of them, but let's just do a quick little okay, so off the top, it's thicker than copy paper, not quite cardstock, which is good. You know, sometimes you want a collage and you don't want the paper cracking or too thick. So beautiful prints. That's kind of a lavender. This is more of a pink. Let's see if you guys can see that there. This is really pretty. Look at that little, look at that unicorn. Oh my goodness, how adorable. And my sister had just said to me, you need to create some little girl journals. And I was just like, that's a good idea. Look at that. Beautiful pattern paper. Blue with lavender. Love and I love you. The unicorns and the roses. It's like, yeah, it's a pretty good quality paper. Nice little background. More. So I picked this pattern out because I have a couple of nieces, one of which is younger, and I want to make a journal for her this summer so that she can have something going back to school because she is going into first grade. And, you know, we got to encourage writing and reading. And I thought a journal would be a good way, especially personalized, you know. Okay, so, glad I saw that. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys. I was especially excited to see this set here. I am a fan of rubber cling stamps and red rubber. But let's take a look at that. And stay tuned for the shorts, the reels here, or whatever you want to call them here, or over on TikTok, where I will show project shares. I'll probably do a process video, not quite a tutorial, but a process video on here using this. I probably will make, well, we'll see, okay? Now, in addition to that, there are some dies, some stamp dies. And this I was especially interested in because when you're making your postcards, it's nice to have your own personal stamps put on there in addition to like the postcard markings or the postage markings. So you've got tickets, you've got the stamp, and you've got a different type of ticket. And then you have the larger stamp set. So awesome dies. And these items that I picked out, they are very affordable, which is one of the reasons why I did pick them out. There's not a lot on the site. that is expensive. Just so you know, all reasonably priced. Now, this package actually came from Indiana. So, or should I say Indianapolis, Indiana. So it didn't take very long to get it here. Okay, and then this is a stamp and die set. Now this has a number of different sentiments. Let's see if I can find a white background here for you guys. Well, let's just turn this over. All right, so we've got thank you. Easy does it. Life is beautiful. Find your happy place. Love you, Mr. and Mrs. Life too short to wait. Life too short to wait. I should say life's too short, but you know, we can use a little broken English. Love just for you. Brave enough to be yourself. You are my happy. Hello, nice to meet you. And then there's another one that says, I should have just took it out, right? With pleasure. Sweet. Nice to meet you. And you are my sunshine. Oh, I love that one. I have a while back when Josh was little, we did a little acrylic painting on a canvas, and that's still up in his room. Although he's got like Lamborghinis, Porsches on the wall now, you know, a collection of supercars, but I digress. He still loves his painting. Okay, so now we have the dies that go with the stamp sets. Okay, so there's one for, there's one for this one. It almost looks like there's one for all of them. Yep. There's one for all of them. Hopefully it's the right size, and it looks like it is. And a bow, a star, moon, flower, little heart. So you've got some additional ones. You've got a conversation bubble. So that is a really good deal. And then are the clear stamps that they sent. Let me see. All right, now I saw this on a number of different sites, so, or something similar. This particular stamp set here. Now, if you notice, this says globally land, and you may or may not. This company reached out to me a number of times, and I'm still considering whether or not I want to show you some of their products, but clearly it's a sister company to this. But nevertheless, let's take a look at that stamp set. So it looks like there's a postage stamp here. It's almost like a postcard in portrait. Beautiful detailing. I can't wait to see how these stamp out. And then this one, I have been looking for this. I saw this on another site, and it was actually out of stock, so I wasn't able to grab it at that time. But look at all of the different school supplies, which would be cute for back to school cards for the teachers. So you've got test paper, calculator, paint palette and brush set, globe, scissors, compass, ruler, and a set of books. Really cute. And then we've got like a planner set, clipboard, notebook, cute little clip there, post-it note, floral. Although that flower looks awfully familiar. Okay, and then there's some individual pieces in here as well. Polaroid. So really cute. And then last but not least, let me take this one out because the detailing on here is absolutely gorgeous. There will be a link down below to the site so that you can view the additional things that they have. Now, I will say that what they also offer are wax seal sets and kits. So if that's something that you're interested in, I did not grab them on this time, but take a look at that. Gramophone is the age of steam. The old-fashioned grandfather clock. Kettle. I forgot what kind of chair that is. Steam iron. Yep, it's a steam iron because that little piece there, I do believe. Then you've got that beautiful clock. It's kind of a steampunk, but it's not quite steampunk. And then you've got the vanity, the vintage vanity. So all in all, as far as, you know, whether or not I would shop here, yes, I would. I will say that certain sites you go to, not necessarily if you're looking for a specific item, but to add to your collections and maybe find some different varieties than what you've been currently working with. Places like Amazon, you go to when you're looking for that specific pen or pencil or marker. Sites like Craspire, they have a variety of different things. They also specialize in a number of one or two different things. So they have a lot of stamps and dies, but they also have the wax seal collection. And there's like a few other random, like the needlepoint or cross stitch, whatever you call it. So you've got that as well. But they concentrate more so, if I remember correctly, in the wax seals and the stamps. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this share, okay? And stay tuned for the giveaway. I will be giving away one of these, well, two of these paper pads. I'll just drop that in the mail. Nothing major, all right? All right, so that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the crafty inspiration. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all that you do and always coming back, for sharing this content in your creative spaces, for your feedback, your comments, your likes. I do appreciate you all. I could not have grown without you. All right, now with that out of the way, until we are back here together on Patreon and YouTube, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.